Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zoho Desk integration for CRM ticket to deal sync, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Zoho Desk integration for CRM ticket to deal sync, start by logging into your Zoho Desk account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Marketplace section, found in the left-hand menu. In the Marketplace, search for the Zoho CRM integration. Click on the Zoho CRM integration option to access its details. Select the Install button to begin the installation process. After installation, you will be prompted to configure the integration settings. Choose the specific CRM you want to sync with Zoho Desk. Next, authorize the connection between Zoho Desk and your CRM account. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into your Zoho CRM account and grant the necessary permissions. Once authorized, return to the Zoho Desk settings to continue. Now, set up the sync preferences for tickets and deals. Select the options for syncing ticket status to deal stages. Specify any custom fields that you want to sync between Zoho Desk and CRM. Review your settings to ensure everything is configured properly. Click Save to apply your settings for the integration. To test the integration, create a new ticket in Zoho Desk. Then, verify that a corresponding deal is created in Zoho CRM. Check the status updates on both platforms to confirm synchronization is functioning as expected. For any troubleshooting, revisit the integration settings to ensure configurations are accurately set. That concludes the setup process for Zoho. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.